Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Happy Monday. How are you guys? How's your morning so far? How's your weekend? Hello, hello, everyone. Good morning, good morning. Hello, guys. Going to do top-down analysis. With you guys, since I didn't highlight any levels this week, let's do this together. Well, we still trade inside previous week range. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching my last video. So I hope I covered every single question about models that trade on gold. So guys, if you didn't watch my last video about how I trade gold, basically silver, like oil, even yes in Q, but I don't try to trade in Q, but same point. You can watch my last video, so I included backtest there. So it's quite long video, it's almost like 1 hour, but guys, I did my best to make this short. Okay guys, previous week high level. I'm going to highlight all levels on NQ since I have nothing there. Yeah, I hope it was helpful. Mic volume up. It's 100%. Is a bit low. Alright. I cannot do anything with this, I guess. Let me see if I can fix something over here. Not going to promise anything. Advanced settings. Mic. Okay, what about now? Can you hear me right now? I made this a bit louder. Same. Okay. Let's try to fix this. Again. Okay. What is this? What is this? What about now? Hello, everyone. It's slow. I know it's slow. Let's try to fix this. We're gonna fix this. Now it's worse. Okay. All right. What about now? I'm not sure if I fixed something, but let's check. Way worse. All right. All right. What about now? I'm not sure if I fixed something, honestly. But check now. Better. Okay. I know. I updated Windows. That's all I did. Tesla, Dashcam, Dasha. Yeah, yesterday, like, some idiots on the road, so cannot fix this problem. He just decided to stop right in front of me. Stupid people. They probably don't know that my car can record the video, so I can go to police to show this, but it's okay. Stupid people. Impossible to fix this problem. All right. Okay. Yeah, I was driving home yesterday. It was right next to my house. Some idiot just decided to suddenly stop right in front of me. To check my brakes, probably, I don't know. It's Friday low. Alright. Okay, guys, I hope it's okay. So, if any issue with sound, just let me know, okay? We will try to fix this again. They're still trading you. Alright, yeah, probably. Just saying, I did nothing to this guy. Like, nothing at all. So pretty much bullish for a chart right now. Honestly, I expect to get a bit more move to downside this week and reversal next week, but it's okay, I guess. So let's see if we get minor retracement down to continue going higher. Once again, I expect to get a bit more to downside last week. So I expect to get like this week is going to be bearish to reverse next week. Pretty much low resistance to downside, lots of failure swings on both ES and NQ. But once again, that's fine. ES just hit 1 hour untapped fair value gap. Why I call this untapped 1 hour untapped fair value? I use just 3 fair value gaps here again. Okay, I use 3 fair value gaps, so basically just 3 hour fair value gap. And we have untapped fair value gap on NQ slightly higher. So far we have SMT, which is I'm not ready to call like strong SMT, probably means nothing. Yeah. So right, let's see. I believe like it looks a bit more bullish right now, but what I don't mind to get is retracement back to like 815. 775, you know, like this area over here. This fair value gaps. This is what I would like to see. Oh, you want to see like we see in September high and reverse? Yeah, by the way, that can make sense as well. For some reason, I felt like it was ready to drop lower, but once again, that's fine. We approaching all-time high once again. Market is bullish, but once again, what I don't mind to see on both ES and NQ, I don't mind to see price, not from here, retrace. So basically, retracement like 20, 30 points, you know. So ideal plan, it's either going to be something like this, or something like this. So we're gonna see. Yeah, that's the plan. I took a trade, by the way, around like 820, 815 on gold. Oh, by the way, I traded overnight as well. Let me show you. Oh, it's micro gold. Let me switch on on gold. So I took this trade on gold, and I took this trade on gold. So basically, I took 2 wins so far for the last 12 hours. Yeah. So idea were exactly the same, but during Asia we got absolutely textbook power of 3. Like we got accumulation, we got manipulation, we got distribution. Remember on Friday on Tradify TV, but I believe I said this on my stream as well. I want to see all-time high, so I was bullish to aim for all-time high. So I took this trade, I entered here, I took one off here, and this night it hit my final TP. I will post I guess I posted its executions on Twitter, but did not post this on X, so I will post this. So let's talk about this one. So yeah, you probably want to tell me like we don't have a sweep over here. That's absolutely right. Yes, we don't have, but what we had is SMT with silver. Silver offered this sweep. So since we took all-time high and we got pretty much straight move up, so I was waiting for the tracing back to discount only. So I was waiting for the tracing back to discount. Since once again gold failed to offer a sweep, silver offered. So I used 3-minute OB for entry, but I was late with my entry because I wasn't in front of my computer. My Replikanto still doesn't work. I did my best to fix this weekend. It just doesn't work. I don't know what I'm doing wrong, guys. Let me ask you guys. So I updated my Windows on Thursday or Friday. I don't remember. I guess Thursday. And also I updated my NinjaTrader on Friday. Obviously, Replikanto stopped working. Like, okay, it's new version of NinjaTrader. I downloaded new version of Replikanto for this new NinjaTrader. And I'm trying to install this. I import this as add-on. I did exactly the same what stated in instructions, and it doesn't work. Who can help me? Please. If you know how to fix this problem, can you please send me a message on Twitter so we will try to fix this together, please? I did my best. I spent 3 days to fixing this problem and nothing works. So what I'm doing right now, I just execute trades one by one. Oh my god, that's extremely annoying. But once again, we got 3-minute order block. If someone can help me, please. 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 I restarted NinjaTrader 5 times. I restarted my computer 2 times. I was like, maybe something wrong with my computer. He fixed mine. Yeah, I need help as well. Yeah, if someone can help me, please send me a message on Twitter and we can try to fix this after stream, please. Did you turn on backup? No, I did not. Well, I will say again the problem. On Thursday or Friday, I updated my Windows. It's okay. On Friday, I guess I had update for NinjaTrader, and obviously NinjaTrader stopped working. Like it disappeared. I was like, okay, it's new version. I went like to help NinjaTrader help about NinjaTrader update, and like, okay, we have new version, amazing, perfect. I will download new NinjaTrader, not NinjaTrader, new Replikanto for this new version of NinjaTrader, and I downloaded. I did exactly what was stated in instructions, like you need to import new add-ons, blah blah blah. I did exactly the same, and nothing worked. I feel like I'm so stupid because I spent three days to try to fix this problem and nothing works. No, I know I cannot do it because I have old version, and it actually asked me if I want to replace old version to new version. I said yes, and it asked me like to restart my NinjaTrader. I did exactly the same, and nothing worked. Yeah, if someone can help me to spend like 50 minutes, not 50 minutes, I hope not 15 minutes with me after stream, please. We can do like Zoom, just help me. I'm not going to do this right now after stream, so right now I'm going to, on stream I'm going to trade Project X anyway, but if someone can help me, please let me know. Okay, guys, back to price action. So I shorted 3-minute order block. Actually, let me show execution. So I shorted 3-minute order block. So I was extremely late because once again I was trying to fix the problem with Replikanto. I just spent like 3 days on it, and I entered here. It was idea based on this trade. I just was late. I closed my trade at this 3-minute order block, which by the way was exactly like 2R, and that's it. So once again, I expected to get just the trace and back to discount, and that's it. I didn't ask for more at all. Yeah, we didn't have sweeps, that's exactly right. But we had SMT with silver, so basically silver offered sweep while gold failed. By the way, guys, if you missed my new video about how I trade gold, please watch this. I don't use the stop on 50-minute chart because I don't use 1-minute chart, but I guess that's not a problem, like personal preference. I think so. Okay, let's back to price action. So I hope we can get another trade today. So far, guys, once again we're trading at all-time highs. Price in trace to discount as well as the trace to OT. You can see my chart, right? Trace to OT. We trading inside this 30-minute fair value gap. So far, no reaction at all. Oh, you're very welcome. Happy to see it was helpful. I don't do Discord anymore, so I chat with my friends there. Well, let's see if it's not going. If, for example, it's going to fail to offer any setup for short right now, which probably is going to fail, we will try to long again, but on next 30-minute candle. Yes, I used idea SMT with silver while let's say not just current example, but when you expect to get retracement reversal and you see like you don't have any potential sweeps on gold, you can check if silver offered something, because sometimes yes, this happens. Silver offers sweep, gold fails, so we're going to use exactly the same idea but without sweep on gold. So we'll use 3-minute OB. Because we have SMT, we anticipate to get retracement. We got confirmation for this retracement. So yeah, it's okay to use SMT at this point. Obviously, it's not good practice, but if you're like confident with your bias, yeah, you can do this. I simply anticipate to get retracement back to discount. That's it. So what I saw overall, we got accumulation, and break above consolidation high. If it wants to be bullish, it will retrace to discount again and continue going higher. Oh, we took same trade. Yeah, I was quite confident with trade during Asia simply because I was aiming for all-time high on Friday. And yeah, it was quite obvious in my opinion. So if it's going to fail to offer any reaction from this 30-minute fair value gap, probably my plan will be to wait for new 30-minute candle, retracement, new 3-minute OB after 8:30 AM too long. So I traded my funded accounts. I executed one by one. It was extremely stupid to do, but I'm not going to take any trades on NinjaTrader, so I'm going to switch just to Project X. No trades there yet, and yeah, I'm going to take trades there. I'm base hit on my other accounts, so I'm not going to touch them anymore. Just going to disconnect. Disconnect. Yeah, here we go. So right now, no reason to take any trade just yet. Actually, we got like initial trade. We got potential sweep. I guess it was entry was here, right? For long. But once again, I'm going to wait for continuation. If it wants to offer continuation, like we got the closure. Let's see where is 2R. Just interesting to see. It's already hit 2R. Okay. Could be another long, for example. Another trade for 9 points. I got more. I got like 10 points of this trade, but pretty much the same, yeah. So let's see if it's going to be continuation. And we will see what we can get, right? Guys, any levels on gold that you would like to aim for? I'm at buffer with funded account. Take profit trade. Finally, woohoo! Trade a small size right now, smaller size. NQ short. So once again, my plan for NQ is to get something like this or something like this. So we will see. It's like, all right, let's see what we have on 3-minute chart. Because for short, I would like to aim for 812. I think so. 38.62. Let me highlight this level on my chart. Oh, so basically new high. Something about new high, like any projections. Trying to understand what kind of projection I would like to use. Like accumulation. Astral. No, I don't. Do you? You believe in this? I think I have target like projections probably. It's going to be to the 873. So we can get another 10 points if it's going to offer continuation. We're gonna see. I have a plan to trade continuation if it's not going to offer invalidation from this 30-minute fair value gap on gold. We'll try to trade this. Once again, I keep taking small size on my new straight to funded on Project X. So it's still going to be like 5-7 micros. Yeah. That's it. Let's see if we are going to get something. But once again, I don't trade in Q normally. So I'm going to execute on gold. If you're new on my channel, I trade gold. So we are going to trade gold. Yeah, I just explained that. So we didn't have sweep, but we had SMT with silver. So that was the reason. Silver offers this kind of sweep. Oh, you mean if we have potential daily sweep, can you use like 1 hour for a chart? Yes, absolutely. You're gonna use 1 hour chart. Oil. By the way, let's check oil. Yeah. Oh, it dropped our target. Yeah. We discussed this target on Friday. 63.77. Yeah. By the way, nice move. Nice move. So below 63.77, we have a 4 hour untapped fair value gap. So this means if no reaction right now from this level, we will drop to 63.19. I see. The continuation was offered only here. So entry basically at this candle high. At the open of next candle stop loss here. So I believe 2R is going to be right at 63.19. So yeah. So waiting for 9:30 a.m. it will offer new 30-minute candle, and we will see if it's going to offer for us continuation. Guys, give me 1 second. I'm going to bring my coffee here. 1 second. 1 second. All right. I hope I missed nothing. Oh, it's not even 9:30 a.m. yet. So, new video about models that trade on gold posted on YouTube on Saturday. Okay, guys, right now we're gonna see if it's going to offer continuation for us higher to aim for at least new high. We'll see. So, I'm not going to execute right now. I need to get new 3-minute order block after 9:30 a.m. So we will see. Or it's going to offer, I know, like, smart money universal right now. We will see. Because right now we have potential sweep. That's brilliant on 5-minute chart. That's amazing on 30-minute chart as well. 1-hour chart to 30-minute chart. As you can see, pretty much similar pictures. But if I want to trade continuation, I need to get new, I call this fresh order block after this candle opened. This means after 9:30 a.m. we need to get new order block. Yeah, that's the plan. And probably we'll try this. I already have one win, so I made $990 on this trade. Oh, no longs yet. No. I know from what level it's going to be yet. We need to get order block. So far, I mean, like, we space in 30-minute fair value gap, but there is no any sense of smart money reversal just yet. But once again, I'm not in trade. I don't see any long setup right now to enter the trade. It's always 2R. Yes, 1 2. 1 to 2. Yes, exactly. Always. I'm totally fine to close a bit early. Like 2R, because sometimes, not sometimes, pretty often after 2R, I know why, we can get like retracement. I don't want to sit inside the retracement, stress about this. So yeah. Right now our task is to get a new order block for longs. And we'll see. Yeah, I mean, once again, we have 30 minutes. As you can see, there's no order 20 minutes. There's no order block just yet. Yeah. Nothing yet. NQ. On NQ, I have a plan. Let me switch on forward. I guess it's on forward chart, right? We highlighted. Yeah, it's either going to be move down to this floor for a value gap and long to aim for 975, or long to, not long, move up to 975 and then short to 812. So just for now, I'm keeping my eyes on lower time frame on NQ. I don't see, for example, I cannot say for sure if it's going to be long or short first. But my range today is between bottom range 812, 813, and top range is 975. Like, I don't want to take any trades right now. I want to look for the trade maybe from this area to long this probably, or from this area to short this probably. You need to long, yeah. Order blocks is amazing, like PDRA, like really amazing. Talking back to gold, seems like it's a bit different with micro gold. On micro gold, we have up close candle here. I hate retracements, especially when I see like it's right couple of cents away from my final TP, and it just trying to retrace or take break even. I always hate it so much. So right now we have completely two different pictures on gold and micro gold. On gold we got retracement down, so basically it offered down close candle, but on micro gold it failed. So like 50-50 I would say right now. We don't have order block yet. Nothing yet. Oops, I don't need 56, I need 5. But idea if it's going to present 3-minute OB, preferable on both gold and micro gold, long to aim for all-time high. Nothing yet. I mean, nothing yet, really yet. Yes, we have done close candle, but it's not order block yet. But we have nothing, unfortunately, on micro gold, which is my biggest concern, you know. Let me show you. Let me switch on Project X. So, for example, as you can see, we have up close candle here, right? Let me zoom in to show you. While on gold, we have done close candle, which is always tricky to me, guys, always. But we will see once again. Idea is to trade long to all-time high, but preferable to get obvious structure for this. Unfortunately, there is no obvious structure just yet. New set, yeah. I mean, I'm not in rush. So I traded today on my funded accounts like TradingView and my funded futures and Take Profit Trader and Funding Ticks. I executed one by one because my copier does not work. One mini contract, but I have like pretty much new straight to funded on Project X. I will trade micros probably like 5-7. So we will see. I showed executions already for my morning trade, like pre-market trade. Also posted them on X if you want to see this. But I took this trade. I entered here, by the way, not here. I was late with my entry. Like I was 3852.3, I believe. So guys, let's focus right now. Let's see if it's going to get any opportunity for us to trade. Do you have I have 2 Instagrams, which is like for trading and my personal, but I don't share my personal. But trading is going to be just LumiTraders, you can see at the bottom of your screen, right? Closer. Yeah, something wrong with my mic today. It's not me. I'm close enough. So once again, we don't have this order block on micro gold, which I don't really like. Going to wait for better structure. It's not what I want to trade here. One hour pretty tricky right now. Like it's bullish, but kind of consolidation at the same time. So we still trade inside 30-minute fair value gap. Nothing changed. Nothing changed, guys. Price trades to the 30-minute OB, which I absolutely don't like this order block at all. If I had this order block on micro gold, I would probably try long, like now. But the issue is we don't have it. We don't have it on micro gold. Yes, that's right. As you can see, ES approaching for our untapped fair value gap that we discussed before. That's right. While in Q actually doing nothing so far. I will do a recap on today's trade on gold later today for you. Everything for you. So once again, price trying to respect this demand OB. Once again, if I saw this order block on micro gold, I would probably long right now to aim for this high. The only issue, we don't have this on micro gold, which makes the setup kind of tricky. But let's say, just let's say, imagine we have this order block on micro gold as well. So my long could look something like this. Not like this, like this. I explained logic behind this short. I expected to get only the retracement, nothing else. Yes, guys, on gold I trade only one model, nothing else. So let's see, guys, if it's going to offer some trades for us. I mean, totally fine to get set up after 10. I mean, once again, I do like continuation higher, but I don't like how micro gold looks so far. Which is fine, but not fine at the same time, right? So it's quite tricky. I mean, I do like longs here. I don't like micro gold move. Okay, gonna wait a bit more. And we will see. So let's say, for example, I trade 10 micros. I will probably close 9 micros at 2R. I can leave 1 micro, but normally I don't do this. Like, no, not for me. But yeah, that's totally fine. Just close. You need to close most position of at 2R. And if you want to leave running just 1 micro, just for fun, you want to see where market will go. Did you ever go and I'm not really. I mean, no. All my blown accounts were blown not for 1 day. Not touching epics today simply because I need to fix the problem with Replikanto first. Looks good to continue going higher here. Yeah, of course, let's check this. Which one? Just tell me. I mean, once again, I don't really care if it's like no Monday news. Like, I know, like I already took almost $1,000 profit today. I don't care. Okay, let's see. I see your point. Yeah, pretty much textbook, right? What level you aiming for? Like 2R is done. I can use projections probably because for your 2R it's completely done. Your target is going to be 50% of this consolidation. We just hit it. So what level you aiming for? Ah, okay, I got it. You know, when we have like consolidation, I normally aim for 50%. We just hit this. Can you take partial here? Of course, if you can. Not half, you can just close 25%, I guess, of your position. Yeah, basically your daily fair value gap right at the top of this consolidation high. But I would like probably protect myself and will close like, I personally would close here like 25-50% of my position. Yes, that's totally fine to hold to this level. Yeah, this makes sense. Just like first TP, like 25% off at this level. Hope it makes sense. This is what I see so far. Yeah, we will see. Oh, you're welcome. I trade gold since June. Like, since June, but I started March this year. So, like 9 months experience total, but like only gold trades every day is like 5 months. Enough. 5 months of trading gold experience. My experience is 5 months. YM looks interesting. Yeah, since we're waiting for setup on gold, let's see what we have on other markets. Maybe we will see something like that's worth to try. That's annoying, you know? When I'm waiting for short on NQ, YM always delivers there. How annoying it is. So you got huge expansion down. This means if you want to look for continuation, your continuation stop is going to be after 10. Let's say YM decided to be bearish. I know, but let's say you will get new 15-minute order block to short the rest of the day. Like, let's say it's 10 a.m. We got retracement, something like this, but it offered 15-minute order block. Somewhere here, we got the closure. It's going to be a continuation lower, probably until the rest of the day. Oops, you got the point. I wouldn't touch YM right now. I'm watching gold, guys. Nothing there yet. Absolutely nothing there yet. Look at NQ. NQ trying to pump, looks like to this area first, like 975. So once again, my plan was either like long from this for our fair value gap to this untapped hourly fair value gap, or short. Let's see if it's going to be a short opportunity. Like, we'll be surprised to see new all-time high today, but everything is possible. Possible will be nothing yet. Nothing yet on gold. I'm watching gold on my Project X. It's close to me. Key area on NQ remains over here. You know, like, I'm totally fine to trade ES, not NQ. But at this point, maybe makes sense to run to this level first. It's like, if you want to trade ES, you want to consider NQ analysis, confirmation, looking for confirmation of your trade on NQ, right? But if you trade NQ, you want to find confirmation on ES. Okay, my what I think about straight to funded. I trade only straight to funded. I trade away straight to funded on TradeDefy, and I trade Project X straight to funded. I'm totally fine with them. Absolutely fine with them. I pick 150k on both platforms. I do like it. I can recommend, you know, like, especially they're running 40% off right now. So, worth to try, worth to try. This consistency rule, maybe it's not for everyone, but I'm fine with this. I also trade funding ticks, trade to funded. My consistency rule is like I need to improve this. But I'm doing good. I'm doing good there. So back on gold right now, guys. We're trying to do trades, which I do like because once again, micro gold failed to offer setup for us. So I don't mind to get something here for the deeper retracement maybe. And I will look for the trade ready for doing silver bullet. So 9:50, 11 a.m. Hope to get set up with you guys. Otherwise, maybe PM will. I steam PM session as well. So maybe ES will offer something on PM. So guys, I steam on TradeZella TV PM session every day from 12:30 until 2 p.m. I trade ES there. I have better relationship with NQ. And during AM session, I trade gold. Maybe something like this. Trump is going to speak in 4 hours. Okay. All right. My consistency rule on funding ticks is like 40%. I need 25. I wouldn't say it's dropping hard. So below 63.77, we need to get a move to 63.19. So it's going to be my lowest level. If it's going to drop more, I honestly will be surprised to see this. Like, yeah. Like 63.19, 63.20, something like this. But yeah, we got like good setup only on 15-minute chart based on flyer sweep. So right now we're trading continuation, and with continuation we should get another expansion. So pretty much expansion so far, but let's see how we're going to respect this 1 hour flat candle. So flat candle means candles does not have wick. For example, as we got on 30-minute chart, see? Hourly chart, we don't have wick. So we call this flat candle, wickless candle. I like this retracement. Sweep best confirmation for reversal? I wouldn't say so. Like, much more safe. Entries will be off smart money reversal. So basically, like, we hit high time frame level. We got market structure shift on lower time frame. With change in the state of delivery, or we got change in the state of delivery with inversion. So it's going to be smart money reversal. This one is nice. But yeah, sweep on high time frame confirmed by lower time frame order block. Yeah, that's nice. That's ICT high time frame candles by Fuzzy. I'm going to send you a link right now in the chat. It's free indicator. Just change colors. Any colors you like. Hello everyone, hello guys. So far I'm sitting with one trade or disconnected my accounts, but going to connect again to show executions that I took today. I took only one trade on gold. It was short. I got short and I got like almost 10 points, like 2 cents lower, right? And it could be like 10 points. Yeah, pretty much got the short. So let's see what will happen next. Guys, I'm waiting for setup to execute on my project X because I need to have trade there. Yeah. So I'm waiting for NQ to go to 975 right now. And 15-minute chart on gold. Let's see. You know, talking about gold, everything balanced here. We balance this for a value gap. We balance this for a value gap. So what I can say, it's consolidation. But consolidation at all-time high. So, look at 15-minute chart, like nothing to balance higher. We can only take all-time high, or it's going to go lower to take consolidation low, which is, that's it. Like a retracement somewhere here honestly does not make any sense to me. Like it's either wants to drop here or wants to pump here. Like no reason to retrace to this area at all. Nothing there. Once again, it will either go up, like right now, but we need to get set up for this, or just going to be straight move down to these lows. Straight move down, really, because nothing stops market here. Like everything balanced. But once again, need to get set up for this first. Yeah, I saw, guys, like YM dropping hard. But in order to trade this, like if you anticipate to get continuation, like you're like extremely bearish on YM to take this little sell side, we need to trade this after 10 only. But yeah, when we see let's say YM is dropping and Q is going higher, yes, consolidating, just don't touch this. Trade something else. Yeah, guys, this week is going to be week of giveaways. I will do TradingView, I will do funding ticks, and I will do take profit trader. So basically, account that does not have activation fee. So I will do, yeah. I have a plan to do 525k funding ticks. I have a plan to do, I believe, 5 TradingView, and I will do 3 take profit trader 150k accounts. So not today, we'll start tomorrow, like, but yeah, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday is going to be giveaways. I didn't do giveaways for a long time, so time to run some giveaways. I will think about funded next giveaway, maybe for Friday, but not going to promise. But I'm going to promise take profit trader, funding ticks, and TradingView. That's the promise. Yeah, for funded text, if I'm going to do giveaway, I will think about this. I will do rapid challenge, exactly. So yeah, once every giveaway that I run is free, of course, free to enter, free to win, and if you're going to win account, it's going to be completely free for you because activation, you're not going to have activation fee. So that's it. So not touching NQ and yes just yet. Going to open this on another screen to watch this. So far on gold, I also like nothing. Like there is no continuation higher yet, but as well as we don't have any shorts, I think. Some SMTs at loss, yeah, that's right. So my concern right now about this long, which is, by the way, it's okay because micro gold failed to offer any continuation higher for us, is 30-minute fair value gap. So price closed inside this 30-minute fair value gap. And I'm going to repeat this again. Going on 15-minute chart, guys, what we can see so far, everything balanced. Everything balanced. We balance this fair value gap, we balance this fair value gap, we balance this fair value gap. And this means gold either will just offer straight move down to these lows. So we have flat candle, for example, on 15 over here. Or it should offer reversal, I mean, to all-time high right now, like from this area where we are right now. That's it. The retracement lower does not make any sense to me. It's going to be reversal then to take this low. Like sold 13 points. I saw YM. Yeah, that's crazy. While ES and Q is doing completely opposite. Yeah, it works. I mean, guys, you know, like if I sell course, let's say I sell course based on, I'm not going to sell, guys, I'm not selling anything to you, but let's say if I had the course, of course I would say like it works every day, always, like it has 110% win rate, like you can short and long with closed eyes, but in reality it's not. So total, I have done like 37 trades backtest, only 37. So it's right now it's 80%. But once again, guys, more trades you take, less win rate is going to be. So I cannot say it's 80%. Personally, based on my last year backtest, it's like 67. But yes, guys, you need to see it and watch how price is moving, like where we're going, like on high time frame. So you need to use your brain to execute this. Can we have Discord community? I mean, we can do this on... I will think about this. Maybe it's better. I will think about this. I will let you know later this week. We still are... I tested last year 67%, but 67% I also tested this on NQ, so it was combination of NQ and gold. 67% you are like, it's okay. I was like, perfect. Once again, you just need to backtest this. You have the lesson about it. Just watch this backtest on your own and see how it works for you. You can upgrade this a little bit, like add something new. I'm going to execute on Project X. I'm flat right now. I execute on TradingView when I trade Asia because I'm putting my kids to bed. Just sell 135 model. Yeah, I saw this by the way this Saturday. I was like, 57k value. Why not like 56? Yeah, that's crazy, right? This person is confident, by the way. I'm not at this point. Propulsion block, like, you know, I remember like maybe last year someone hate me when I said propulsion block is order block, but in reality propulsion block is order block. So I use exactly the same way. Never watch this. 15-minute chart. Not looking impressive right now. So, yeah, going to wait for setup on gold. Once again, on gold, it's needs to go up right now to take all-time high, or it's going to just straight move down. So far, we're trying to go higher. By the way, it's still trying to just make this ugly order block, which we don't have on micro gold. Yes, it's 10 a.m. Exactly. Let's see where we can get set up. Maybe it's going to be on ES today. Maybe. Nothing here yet. I'm not even disappointed, like. Look at this. Pretty much consolidation. Happy with my $990 per account, so like no complaints. I would on NQ watch price to go slightly higher to 975 to short all the way down to 812. And at this point it could offer move to premium on ES, SMT, and I would short probably ES at this point, but right now nothing, unfortunately. Anyway, guys, let's see if it's going to offer some trades for us on gold. But once again, I stream PM session, guys. In case you insist on trading PM session with me, I'm going to be on TradeZella TV there. Going to all-time high. Yeah, it's still bullish. Short maybe soon. We will see. I don't know yet. Some SMT at these lows. I steam every day. Like, every day. From 9 to 11:30. So this low is lower, so we don't have to mint OB still. Oh my god. Are you serious? Top step is best for beginner. You know, like, you need to try and figure this out on your own. So some people love top step, some people don't love top step. So you need to try and you will understand. I don't trade with them, so. But once again, it doesn't mean like they're bad. Paper trading. By the way, yeah, that's right answer. Paper trading is best for beginners. That's right. So we got internal order block, which is not what I like. So order block is going to be closure above this level. At this point, probably will not get to R at all. Oops, sorry guys. So there is no order block yet, but we have projections in case it wants to like close above this level. We have projections at 3873.3. Let's extend this to the right. Right and right. Okay, something like this. It's, you know, it's extremely annoying right now. So you feel like you want to see slightly higher, like overall slightly higher, because once again, for the tracement, like here, no reason to retrace here. It's either like just to move to all-time high or straight move down. We never got any steps for straight move down. At this point, it's still bullish for this all-time high, but I don't want to chase the price simply because there is no model here to enter the trade. I mean, we do have model on gold. We don't have this model on micro gold, which is my biggest concern. Let's switch on NQ. I really don't see any order blocks here. You extended. It's okay. Not live trades today, like nothing yet. We took some trades, I guess it was Friday. I cut for small loss, and on Thursday we got win. So that's pretty much it that we got this week, I guess. For now, nothing yet. But we are not going to give up. We still have time to get set up. Looking for trade, I mean, you will tell me, like, is it smart to enter long, like, if it's going to close above this blue line to aim for all-time high? So you need to, like, you're going to risk, like, 6 points to make 2? Not really, right? I will record separate video about order blocks. It's going to be short, but lots of people ask me about this. You're trying to short NQ, alright. Honestly, on NQ, I don't mind to see 75 first, 975. But you know, I'm just wondering right now, okay, we closed above this level. Amazing, perfect. Like, where is 2R at this point? I need to put my stop loss at these lows. 1.6R is going to be these projections. You know, like when we don't have any levels higher, it's always hard to predict like the move. But when we're trading inside like some sort of range on a higher time frame, at least you understand what level you'd like to aim for, right? So, I know. So in reality, it should look like this, but we will see. So 10 points risk, even with 5 markers, is $500. So I will think about this right now. So once again, on NQ, I don't mind to see we go into 975 first. Yeah. It looks like 50-50, right? Yeah, we will see. So we will see. Maybe I will trade yes. Yes will offer better setup. I know yet. Waiting to see where it's going to be better. Not going to touch silver 100%. Because overall, like, look at this 30-minute candle. It's kind of hard to short this, right? Like overall, look at this closure. It's extremely bullish. Look at this hourly closure. Extremely bullish. Yeah. We don't have order block on 3. We closed on micro gold below this level, so it's not longs. No longs, guys. See where we got the closure? We got the closure within this candle range. Sequence of these candles. No shorts here for me. At least right now. Oh, look at this 975 hit. All right. So yeah, good try, but maybe a bit early. A little bit early. It's okay. Once again, guys, if you just joined this week, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, I will run giveaways. Not today, but starting tomorrow, I will do funding ticks, Tradify, and Take Profit Trader. So I will do evaluations. I will think if I can do straight to funded, but not going to promise yet. Yes, and it's going to be with no activation fee accounts. So completely free for you. Not today, starting tomorrow. I will do funding ticks tomorrow. I will do Take Profit Trader 150k accounts on Wednesday. And I will do 3 or 5 accounts, Tradify accounts on Thursday. So far, I sold rejection from 975. How giveaway works? So I will post like Google form. You need to fill this Google form to like enter your email, like YouTube username, and that's it. That's all I ask normally. It's still going higher, but once again, we don't have order block. Yeah, it's spot right now where like you want to see higher, but you don't want to chase the price simply because there is no any good entry for this. Continuation model is going once again on gold. Continuation was offered. I already said that over here. And micro gold, let's say micro gold offered exactly the same OB, I would enter this long. But since it failed, that's why I'm sitting on my hands. Yeah, these weeks are huge. But I already made like $990 today on accounts, but not on my Project X, which is fine. Project X is for streaming only. I don't take trades outside streams on Project X. I don't think like I even took any trades there. Last trade on Project X was taken on Tradify TV. We got wins there. We got 25 points short on ES on Thursday. I didn't trade on Friday at all. Yeah, I got like solid trades there with 7 micros. Oh, this one, I miss this. I was asking people to help me with Replikanto, so yeah, I just miss this. I have issue with my Replicant, unfortunately. Oh yeah, I miss this. Like we had to enter here. It's okay. Here's long was okay, by the way, yeah. Oh, you don't need to think about this. I just was trying to figure the problem with. I was looking for the help with my Ninja Trader. So the opportunity is all-time high. Price kind of struggling so far. Unicorn. Oh, unicorn here. How did the project? Okay, let me show you. I use this like. In reality, I can use that one as well, but the very like last and obvious move down before the reversal was here. Consolidation, manipulation, distribution. AMD. No, you're good. If you took this long, you did amazing. It's just me. Don't be like me. Yeah, let's see. I'm still flat on my project ticks. Like, I took nothing there yet. Once again, if I just want to like zoom in, overall picture, see this, guys? It's quite choppy, right? Nothing is going on there. By the way, guys, on Friday, I did not stream AM session, but we got absolutely solid opportunities for longs. I took 2 longs on Friday. I got 2 wins using exactly the same model. So for PM session, it was slow, it was boring, so nothing there. But AM session on Friday was great. I didn't stream because once again, I was trying to fix the problem with Ninja Trader. I spent like 40 minutes on it. Nothing helped. I see like people want to help me after Steam, so thank you so much everyone for offering help. Yeah, gold is nothing yet. I'm happy with my short, honestly, on gold. But you know, guys, if I take trade on gold, taking trade on gold during Steam, I will show you like this project takes account on. Once again, I need to take trades there because I'm not sure if I have rule like inactivity rule, but I believe we do have it. So I need to take trades to have trading day. Well, you know, like lots of people say on Twitter, on X, like I don't trade Monday because it don't have news. But in reality, I mean, gold does not care about news. Like it moves. If I will fix the problem with a Replikanto, I will share tomorrow how I did it. Because right now, this morning I was about to cry. I'm not going to lie because I was so annoyed. I was trying to fix this and nothing worked. So I hope someone will help me. We can do Zoom if you want, guys. Just something to help. Get old version. Easy to say, hard to do. Well, guys, let's see what we have on ES. We have SMT between S and Q, exactly what we discussed before. Let's see what we can get here. Such a big move up and down, big moves up and down here. Yeah, I mean, when people say like, it's Monday, we don't have news, I'm not going to take the trade. I mean, really? Look at this huge SMT so far. Once again, I'm going to repeat this again. We have nothing here to balance. It's going to just straight move down if it's ready to drop. It will drop to 38, 36. I'm still flat. I see nothing good here to try. So yeah, of course, it's just type of market maker model. If you trade into hourly fair value gap, it offered 5 minutes smart money reversal, go for it, take it. I mean, it's really annoying. See this? It never took all-time high. Never ever. So I know what it's trying to do right now. That's why I'm flat probably. You long intro down. So you want to tell me like you're trying to short in Q when it's going higher and you're trying to long when it's going lower. Wait for better confirmation. Like don't use 1 minute chart in this job. Really. Like get better entry on 3 or 2 minute chart. Really. Use 3 minute chart. What did you use here then? We just hit this 1 hour time fair value gap. Obviously, we anticipate to get at least reaction lower. Yeah, like it's only Monday, so like no reason to take millions trades. You will get your opportunity later. So on gold, what I already said, like it's either going to be straight move down to 36, 38, or what level? 36, 36, 38, 36. Or it will hit all-time high. Look at this price action so far. I mean, I'm happy I'm not in any trades yet. Looking for short, I will look for short on yes only. I have better relationship with NQ. We have flat candle over here. Once again, on 15 minute chart, nothing to balance here. It's just going to be straight move down. How's my day? I took one short here so far, and that's it. 1 second. All right. Yeah, I know, like, guys, kind of nothing I like. Maybe yes will offer something during PM session. I need to take any trades on Project X just to count this as trading day. Settings for SMT. Here are the settings for SMT. But I have video about this on my YouTube channel. What kind of indicators I use and settings to each one. Look at these 30-minute candles here. See this, guys? In real time, does not look nice. Maybe in hindsight, it's going to be look much more obvious. But like in real time right now, I'm not quite sure what it wants to do. Like logically, since we hit all-time high, we need to continue going higher at this point because it's all-time high, but I don't know. So guys, watch my last new video about gold model, because I will send new homeworks this week. It's just garbage so far. So we don't have shift and structure just yet to short and Q. So I'm looking for market structure shift, smart money reversal from this hourly fair value gap. So we need to get the closure so we can short all the way down to 812. Nothing yet. Once again, guys, I'm speaking right now about price action, current price action. Maybe in hindsight it will look much more obvious, but in real time it looks so choppy. Like, I mean, I have no idea what it's trying to do. Oh, suffered huge drawdown. Oh, I mean, I had the problem with huge drawdown. It was my funded futures account when I was like $200 away from blowing this account, and end up being up 4K. It was like a nice recovery, but I wasn't trying to recover. I was like, I will continue trading exactly the same way as I trade. If I will be lucky, I will recover this account. If not, I will blow this account. Last video was going to be about how to trade gold. So since nothing is going on NQ, on gold, let's switch on NQ, and yes, maybe it will offer something for us. Holding this long, well, where did you enter? I believe you entered using this unicorn, right, at 9:45. I mean, your trade is still valid, just saying, simply because we don't have smart money reversal just yet. So you probably can be good. But you know, when you're trying to trade with huge drawdown, don't think about recovery, because probably you're just going to take random trades simply because you're trying to recover this. Okay, yeah, 950, pretty much the same. I think you use this unicorn, right? So I think like you aiming for previous week high level, so all-time high. U means untapped fair value gap. Untapped fair value gap, so we never touch this fair value gap. It's not untapped anymore, but idea is U is untapped. Untouched, untapped, I don't know, like breakaway. I wouldn't call this breakaway, by the way, but still. Untouched, untapped. My friend invented this name, like he said, like use untapped fair value gap. So yeah, I use it. I keep using this. It's 1 hour chart. I'm thinking about longs right now, where we can get this long. Since we don't have any smart money reversal just yet, let me by the way change color, because it had to be market structure, not change in the state of delivery. Let's think about potential continuation higher. Yeah, it validates this idea, by the way. This means... Yeah, it validates this idea. This means if it's going to close above blue line, we can get long to previous week high level. For 1 hour, I think so, not more. We have absolutely nothing. So why I'm thinking about continuation higher at this point, we got potential sweep on hourly. It was confirmed by 5-minute OB. Then we hit hourly fair value gap, right? This current hourly candle, but it never offered yet shift in structure to downside, so it can be still continuation higher. And order block on 5 has to form after 10 a.m. This means it will be valid trade. If it's going to close above this blue line, can we get something like this? Yeah, it's probably like 1.5 hour. Let's try to find projections as well. So maybe it will help us. It's such ugly chart. So I don't know, like maybe on 5-minute chart something looks so bad. But yeah, I might use this one. If it's going to close above this blue line, something like this. But not right now. Gold doing absolutely nothing. I don't want to waste my time on it. Simply because it's just consolidation. No reason to take unnecessary losses. I will stick probably with yes and Q just for now. Oh, it's 15 chart. Okay. Up, down, down, up. Yes, exactly. So less than 2 minutes left on this 5-minute candle. So let's see if this idea is going to be valid. It will not be 2R. So target is going to be 4R probably, but 56 point stop loss. Well, I know like 3 makers probably, 56 point stop loss. Not worth to risk like $400 on this, more than $400 on this trade. But we will see. Let's check ES. Preferable to get something on ES as well. Big SMT with NQ. All right. All right. It's 30-minute chart. Nothing here yet. Well, happy with my performance today overall on gold. SMT reversal. But yeah, this move down was illegal. Let's be honest, it was illegal. Reversal and failure to take all-time high. Well, it's still illegal, so. Yeah, guys, new video is going to be about order block. So I will just show you how I pick order blocks. Why this candle, not that candle? Lots of questions. Did you say illegal? Yeah, I was kidding. I just said like this reversal was illegal. Scam. Criminal. Yeah, like what's the point to take not to take this all-time high and reverse? Yeah, new video is going to be like 8 minutes probably. 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes, because I would like to just show you how I pick order blocks. Why? Oh, it's okay. Better to get break-even than like full stop loss, right? So we don't have 5-minute shift in structure just yet. Change in the state of delivery. You like my long video? I mean, long videos? Yeah, I mean, I do like them as well. It's just so hard to record them. When I was doing like backtest, when I was editing this, I was cutting like breaks simply because it was like so long, like really so long. I cut every single break, so make this shorter. Yeah, I mean, I prefer to short more. It's just like naturally easier to short than long. I just love it. But yeah, if it's going to present like, let's say long, I will take long. But right now, kind of no interest in anything yet. We chased the 5-minute OB and yeah, so far, like overall picture on gold is consolidation. Remember what I said on my video? I don't want to trade inside consolidation. I'm okay to miss a trade, but I don't want to be part of consolidation. Even if, let's say, I'm in trade, but I see price consolidating, I will cut probably my trade. It's way easier for me. I trade price action. I don't really like use any indicators, honestly. All I need is just high time frame chart. I mean, of course, I can just jump between time frames. So indicators that I use is high time frame candles. And that's it. Like SMTs. I have volume profile, by the way, open on my another screen. Like I use it as confirmation, but I don't really rely on it for my trades, right? So yeah, I see like, okay, we have like something here. Okay, additional confirmation for my long, but it's not what I want to take, like based on volume profile. How many screens I use? I use 249 and 132, like 3 screens, but 2 huge one. So I believe long is going to be on queue only if we are going to close above this blue line. Otherwise, I wouldn't adjust at all. And let's talk about market structure, like breakout structure, protected swings, right? We have breakout structure to upside over here and over here. So we have bullish shift in structure, bullish breakout structure, call it like whatever you like. And after this, we got moved down over here. But what we can see, like talking about market structure right now, basics. We took this low. Yes, it was protected low. But can I say we got shift in structure? No, we don't have break of structure to downside just yet. This means if it's going to fail to close below this protected low, which was guys, it's not protected low. Protected low is... No, it was protected low, my bad. Protected low, we took this protected low, but we failed to close below this level. This means we don't have breakout structure. At this point, it will try to reverse to take this high. But if it's going to fail to offer break above this high, we will drop all the way down to this area again. So how we can validate short at this point? We will call this order block, or we will call this valid high. So there are many videos about market structure. I'm not going to record this one, but consider market structure, basics of market structure. So this means if right now it's going to, like next 5-10 minutes, it's going to fail to take this high, it will break this low again and will offer valid low, valid high, and will drop again. Oh, okay. What I'm talking about right now, consider market structure, no longs yet. Impossible to long right now. Big chance to drop again. If it's not going to take this highs next 5-10 minutes. Like with next 5-minute candle or with current 5-minute candle. What is valid low and valid high? Like lots of videos about this. It's pretty much similar idea to order blocks, but valid high and valid low can be internal order blocks. Let me find the video. I don't remember where I studied this, but I will try to find valid low and high. Where did I watch this? Oh, I think I remember this. If this guy did not delete his channel. Guys, does anyone know about like Puck Trades? Or I don't remember his YouTube username. It was on his YouTube channel. Puck Trades or just Puck or something like this. How? I don't remember. Puck. I don't remember. Trades. I don't. Oh, found it. Please, you didn't delete videos. Please, you didn't delete. Yeah, I found it. Here's his channel, guys. If you want to learn about market structures, this guy is amazing. I don't remember which video about wallet high and wallet low. But you will find this. I just don't remember where it was. Here's his channel. I watched last year. Yeah, you're welcome. But guys, it's good for you. Even if you trade just, I know, like unicorn setups, just watch this. You will like it. You cannot hear. Probably need to turn on volume. Because I did nothing. I hope everyone can hear me. And once again, considering like how I understood his videos, because I even have like notes on my iPad about this market structure, we can drop again. But highly recommend to watch this, like wallet high, wallet low. I don't remember what the name of that video, but it's short, like 10 minutes video. Are you still going to the gym? Yes. I look bad every morning at 5 a.m. I am there. Let's see if gold finally can take all-time high. And let's see if we're going to get some... Move down? How old are you? Guess. I'm more than 25. I'm more than 26. But I'm not 30 yet. Very firm. Yes, exactly. I don't do Discord anymore. I have 2 kids, so yeah. I have their picture on my shelf. My kids are 6 and 4. I moved to US when I was 18. I trade for less than 4 years, 3.5 years. So this blue line means if NQ manages to close above this level, we can get this long. Otherwise, we are not going to take any trades. When did you become... Oh, it's like... I know like how people do this fast, but it took me like 2 years to become profitable. Well, it's a good job. So this is what I want to say. Guys, any questions about my new video? So let's cover these questions. Since NQ, ES, and gold just doing nothing so far, let's cover some questions. So guys, I didn't lose. I traded my personal account. It was always okay because I started with small size. But I lost around like 28 funded account. All accounts, like total 28 accounts. I don't think that's a lot, by the way, because like if I consider like I copy my trades, more than 28 if I want to consider like take profit trader, which I lost in August as well, like Toria, considering take profit trader. So I moved from Belarus to US when I was 18. I'm in Florida right now. $4 years. Once again, some people like trade for 10 years and only after 10 years they might try to find, they can see profitability, consistency, right? So I'm not sure what kind of advice I can give you. I guess you need to stop jumping between like model, like you jumping from one model to another model. You need to trust, you need to believe in yourself, and never listen to anyone. Once again, you need to be confident in your trades. This is what I like. Let's say there's a trader who has, I don't know, like 100% win rate, and there's you, which you probably consider yourself like, oh, I'm profitable, I'm going to copy someone. And if someone with 100% win rate will tell you like, you need to short right now, but you see based on your model long setup, you will long this. Only this, at this point, you can believe in yourself, your strategy, your analysis. This is how it works, guys. You need to okay, trading is all about psychology, right? It's about model, yes, of course, but you need to first believe in yourself. Okay, I see my model here, I'm going to trade this. If it's going to be less, amazing. I trust my analysis, I trust my model, I execute this. This is how it works, guys. So once again, when I take losses, I'm totally fine with them. Even when I blow my accounts, I'm totally fine with this. Like, I'm not going to cry because of this. I feel nothing. I absolutely don't care about this. So I need to understand that my losses not going to hurt my accounts. If I took, like, let's say $300 loss, and I have daily loss limit, let's say $400, I still have a chance to try, but my risk has to be between like $0 and $100. In Florida too? Yeah, I heard like we have some storms coming here, but it's okay here. You do cry. It's okay. It's good. You can cry. Nothing wrong about this. Oh, I trade mostly fund accounts and I blew my fund. I blew my fund accounts last month. It was Epix. 20 accounts. I already have new one. Slowly going to my first payout on Epix. Wanted to trade today with this short, but once again my Replikanto does not work, so I wasn't able to copy this. I was able to only like open like trade on my funded futures, take profit trader, and funding ticks and TradingView. It was like so 20 accounts, no, impossible. I have group trade on TradingView, so it was a bit easier for me on TraderWeight, but yeah. Would you suggest order flow plus? Of course. I have a friend who trades ICT and combines this with volume profile and footprint charts. She's doing nice. So I passed Epix for one day, yeah. I took 6 scalps on gold with 1 mini contract and I passed this. I tried 6 trades and it was 6 winners. Yeah, it was on stream, by the way. It was like last month, Tuesday last month, don't remember day. But yeah, I just was scalping. Well, guys, what we can see right now on NQ and yes, nothing. What we can see on gold, nothing. Yeah, and I'm happy with my trade today. I traded 1 mini contract on my fund. I don't have a vals, guys. I have only funded accounts. It was my trade. By the way, it's still my funded future starter plan. Imagine, I still have starter plan. I had to enter here, by the way. I didn't see the setup, but yeah, entered here. I closed at my 2R. So I count 2R from the entry where I had to enter, not from where I entered. I got one. I want to get 10 points because 10 points looks nice, but got almost 10 points. So I closed $990, including commission a bit less. Still stuck in this long. Well, my husband trades from time to time, but he trades not really ICT. But he trades, by the way, standard deviations. I will show you right now. And he trades his like this pack strategy, like market structure. He trades the standard deviation projections, the statistical standard deviation projections. So consider high time frame like for our chart, so it calculates potential for our candles range. This means if price like hit 0.5 level, and at this point we hit high time frame level, we anticipate to get reversal retracement back to opposite level, 0.5 negative, 0.5 level, and one standard deviation. So we hit 0.5 level, but the only issue with this level, I mean, it doesn't mean like we want to short this. No, we did not hit all-time high. That's the reason why I don't want to touch short yet. Like if it's going to hit all-time high, it's going to be like way easier to short this. But let's say we hit all-time high. Also, we hit 0.5 level. I would like to look for short to aim for negative 0.5 level and one standard deviation. Win rate, I mean, he does not trade a lot. Like he might take only like 3-4 trades a month. So he's doing like with his trades, he's doing nice. I mean, he has losses. I mean, I don't think he cares about this, because for example, he can take short here. It can stop him out. He can try again. I know, like maybe 60, maybe 50. I know. But every single time when he shows me his trades, I'm like, why? Why you took this? But his interest, like, sometimes is way better than mine. But he doesn't trade gold. He trades this on NQ. Let's make it bigger so everyone can see this. I would say it works on ES and NQ as well, these projections. My husband runs his own business, so it's not about trading. It's not nice to trade with your partner. Just trust me. He annoys me all the time. I'm like, when I take a loss, I show him my losses. He's like, what did you see here? Like, do you know how to trade? I mean, like, really? Get out from here. But yeah, always when I take a loss, he's like, do you know how to trade? Yeah. Days when I hate him so much. Have you have you guys ever had always? Always. I don't remember a day when it was like, okay, you're right. Yeah. Hate to argue about trading with him. Even when he's right, I mean, I cannot accept this. No, he trades like, I guess for fun. Like he trades like 4 or 5 times a month when he wants to. I mean, he has some fun accounts, I believe, with Apex. I took this reversal. Yeah, I explained the reason already. So we got SMT with silver. Is here also? Yeah, he's from Belarus. We had SMT with silver, so gold failed to offer sweep, but silver offered. I used dominant OB. I entered late. I entered here. I didn't see this before. I used like this target 2R, so it lined up with 3-minute OB. That was the reason why I closed here. But I got my 10 points. And QAS gold looks so scammy right now. Come on, come on. Do you have any pets? Yes, I have. It's my kids. Interesting. Silver keep going higher while gold's really struggling. Like, what's the point not to take this all-time high? Yeah. You didn't see them when they eat, so that's why they pets. And husband, exactly. Yeah, I took trades in Asia. I'm not sure if I posted executions on X, but I posted on Instagram. I took this long trade. My partial level was previously high level. I closed one contract here. And all-time high was my TP. I closed early. I closed here. Like 19 points. Who makes more money? I guess me. In trading. Oh, gold teach for standard deviation. But we did not teach this on Forex. Okay, got it. So I would like to see higher still anyway. I'm watching for this new all-time high, so basically for pre-market high. So guys, if you're not going to get any setups like right now, I'm going to stream on TradingView TV PM session. So we got perfect short on Thursday there. I traded short for 25 points on ES. So maybe we can get something there. So I share my trade live there as well. Just in case you didn't know, I stream on TradingView TV, and yeah, if I see trade, I take this. I don't take trades on NQ. It's either like ES or ES. Standard deviation. Yeah, let me show you. It was 50-minute chart, and I use this leg. Why did you close your Discord? Like, I didn't see reason to continue doing this. I still have people there, but I'm not going to accept new one. Yeah, TradingView on YouTube. So yeah, just search TradingView, and they live right now for AM session. But I will join at 12:30 p.m. and I will stream until 2. So yeah, I stream like lunch PM session. Well, let's see. I still would like to see gold higher simply because silver going higher. While on NQ, since we don't have any move higher here, it took protected low but failed to offer break of structure, or reversed but failed to take this high, so it failed to offer break of structure to upside, so basically continuation. Makes sense to drop again, guys. Lower. You know, like, I cannot say like I'm, for example, tired from this because I always want stream PM session, but I'm not alone there, so I'm with Rebecca, so it's at least like it's fun. Because like PM session lunch is quite slow from time to time, so she has her own strategy. I trade my own strategy, so like concept, right? So I trade ICT, she trades VWAP, if not mistaken. So, but our ideas often are the same. So I do like this. I'm not alone there. Yeah, long's impossible for me on NQ as long as we're holding below this level. Just impossible. Talking about valid high and valid low market structure, it's not something new. It always was here. Like, just learn basic of market structure. If it's going to close below open of this candle, it will offer valid high, and at this point should offer drop to 880, 875 or something like this. It's just consolidation, right? We'll just get something like this. Imagine we got the closure. It's going to be moved down to aim for this probably this level over here, or 880 because it lines up with OB, so we will drop here. This is what I mean, right? If no reaction after we hit 0.5 level, we will drop to 1 hour untapped fair value gap, and it will be our plan. Remember we discussed before this, it's either going to be long from this hourly fair value gap to 4 hour fair value, no, opposite. It's either going to be long to from 4 hour fair value gap to 1 hour fair value gap, or short from hour fair value gap to 4 hour fair value gap. So yeah. Back to the 3-minute chart. Yes, Apex still running sale 80% off until tomorrow, I think. And it's going to be $85 activation fee, which is by the way nice. Do you use TPO? What is this? It's prop firm. Full name, please. I need to know. Oh, no, I'm not. It's like level 2 or so. No, I don't use this. I believe what I trade right now is something similar to CRT, like millions names of this. Like that's why I don't call this my model, because like it's not my like lots of people trade this, like millions name for this, right? I guess pretty much what I trade is CRT, right? I think so, at least. No, I don't use TPO. As you can see, my chart is pretty much clean. I don't have lots of indicators here. Can you rate my model? What do you trade? I cannot trade models because everything works. Like, really, everything works. And no, don't worry, we didn't take any trades. I took only one pre-market trade. That's it. We were watching long on gold to aim for all-time high, but it just stuck inside garbage consolidation. Nothing there, unfortunately. So we want to see all-time high, but did I miss? You missed nothing. I'm sitting just with one trade that I took during pre-market. Oh, I traded Asia. I mean, like I was thinking like you asked about stream. No, nothing on stream, but I took 2 trades. One was during Asia and one was pre-market. But nothing during AM session. But you know, like, look at this hand side chart. I'm happy I took nothing. Exactly same way how I trade AM session, like pre-market. Asia is exactly the same approach. Watch my last video. I backtested this. I explained how I do use this. No, I wouldn't say so. Like sometimes gold is going to be inside consolidation. Like sometimes it's impossible to avoid this. No, I would say gold moves amazing in Asia, pre-market, and AM session. PM session is ugly. I'm coming for PM session stream today at TradingView TV. By the way, guys, like today is September 29. We have like 1 day left on Tradify, so to get 40% off. So I got with last sale straight to funded accounts, but like straight to funded accounts have no activation fee, consistency rule. So you can try Crow's plan simply because it does not have activation fee. With 40% off, it's like a deal. Well, I'm not going to long. It's too deep for me in premium to long this. I mean, once again, totally possible to get like move. I know. Never mind, nothing possible here. But I'm aiming for all-time high, and next level on gold is going to be 38.73. But nothing here. Read my model. Bias sweeping Asia, London high, London low. Tap into fair value gap all day. Breaker. I mean, if this model works for you, of course, I cannot trade model once again. Everything works. Even like trade support and resistance works. I mean, in general, it's going to be continuation. For example, probably on 5-minute chart. It's going to be continuation. We got sweep. Continuation must be over here. So basically after 10 a.m. we got new low over here. So entry is going to be at new order block. If price never hit high time frame level, I will trade continuation. For example, like right now we did not hit high time frame level. My long needs to be like 38.57, but the problem is we're approaching this high time frame level, which is like 3 points target to risk 10 points. Not smart. Like once again, entry here, stop loss. Okay, I will put over here, and I'm going to aim for 2R, which is over here. But what I don't want to take this trade simply because I was aiming for all-time high, and above all-time high I have nothing. I have some random projections, which means nothing, right? Some standard deviation levels, which means nothing. So I can only like think about maybe we can go there. But yeah, like imagine we did not hit all-time high like at all. I can long this to aim for a level. Like it's valid long, nothing wrong with this. If for example we took nothing, but right now we took all-time high, which makes this setup kind of tricky. But if nothing, I would long this. This is what I mean. Nothing on Q&A, yes, all right. Yeah, that's only the reason. When I can like long in premium right now. Well, right now zooming out, like okay, like this. Clearly market maker buy model, right? With no levels higher because it's all-time high. That's it. I do copy my trades. I have issue with my copy recently, so like last 2 days, because I don't know how to use this. So I hope people are going to help me today. But yes, always copy my trades. No, I only updated Windows and NinjaTrader and Replikanto stopped working. I took only one trade today and one trade in Asia. That's it. Nothing during AM session, and I'm happy with this. Because probably, let's see where I could enter long. Actually, I wouldn't take anything here. Happy with this, like nothing to trade. Yeah, flat guys. Right now, flat. Under this for this AM session. Just will show you. For Steam says a trade on Project X, but as you can see, one trade and that's it on my funded accounts. And here's my another funded account, and I took nothing here, like nothing. Once again, I'm happy with this. Yes, I know. Well, I went to like NinjaTrader help about, and I saw like, here's the latest version of NinjaTrader. I need to download latest version of Replikanto. I went to Replikanto on their website. I logged in. I downloaded latest version, and what step I did, like NinjaTrader tools import add-ons or something like this. Then I said like, should we replace old version to new one? And I was like, yes, of course, let's do this. Then they said like, let's restart NinjaTrader. I said, of course, let's do this. I restarted this. Then I like NinjaTrader help, third party licensing. Yes, that's right. I click this, and it asked me for a name and user defined ID, and I stuck there. Who can help me? Who can help me? I have problem with this. Try starting. Who can call me please after stream to help me with this? Who had this issue? Who can call me please and help? I will share my screen and you will just guide me what I need to do. Yes, I can. Give me 1 second. If someone please can call me and just help me with this, I will appreciate it so much. This is what kind of error I had. Okay, let's do this again. My account. Yeah, I know. I put this flow bots, and this is what I did. I read instructions. Nothing. Okay, guys, let's do this together. Help. Third party. Okay, flow bots. If you can help me right now, it's going to be perfect. Okay, I'm going to take screenshots right now, and we will try to do this together. Here we go. I'm doing this right? Keep rejecting you. That sounds amazing. I did like 10 times today. Maybe they blocked me? Do we have a chance of this? Next day. Are you serious? Well, what did you put for your user-defined ID? Yeah, I had latest like 8.1.6 version. Yeah, good. Here. It's dropping to 880, 875. As we discussed before. My account, dashboard. Is a dashboard. Guys, what did you put for your Replicant user-defined ID? What did you put there? Maybe I'm putting something wrong. Just let me know. This means I did everything right. This means I did everything right. What a scam. They probably just blocked me because I tried usernames that I created when I bought the subscription. Invalid again. Account details. Oh, yeah, probably just block me. I will try again tomorrow. I will be careful tomorrow. Just cannot copy. I need to open trades separately. Alright, guys. I will try to. Are you going to be in tomorrow on my stream? So I'm not going to do the. I'm not going to try this without you. Can you help me tomorrow? I will not touch this. Yeah, I know. I'm there right now. I did try this. It did not work. So will you be here tomorrow to help me? I will not touch this. Until tomorrow stream. IM session stream. So once again, on NQ we're approaching 880, as said before, and 875. So basically standard deviation level. So idea for this move down, what I expect to get was simply market structure, because it's consolidation. I see nothing like according to ICT or something like this. Yeah, once I figure this out, I will help you. Since I tried many times, probably just stop working for today. It's okay. We'll try again tomorrow. Another day without copier. Alright. So guys, if no reaction right now from 875, wait for the just straight move down to 812, 813. So it was according to our pre-market analysis, either long from this area to our 1 hour fair value gap or short. So we got second plan. So be looking for the move to 813, 814. I think so. On standard deviation, yes, I do have video. It's not ICT, by the way. It's statistic. It's not ICT at all. Let me send you video. Here's a video about standard deviation. Yeah, of course. Here's a link. You can try to help me. That's amazing. I believe they blocked me for today because I tried like 10 times. But we can try to do this tomorrow. I'm not going to touch this until tomorrow's stream. Hope no one is going to block me again. So once again, we call this as wallet high. It's some sort of like internal order block, which is not really valid for ICT, right? Smart money concept, but valid for market structure overall. It's actually valid for smart money concept. It's not just classic ICT, I think so. Just market structure. We got the closure, so at this point it validates idea for drop where we have projections here and discount order block. That's first point. Second point is going to be opposite fair value gap. So it's for our fair value gap 813, 812, 808, something like this. Well, our plan is play out on gold. We hit all-time high, price retrace back to this discount of this range. So let's stay away from our gold for this IM session. I think Asia will be good since we got consolidation. PM normally is slow, which makes sense. If IM session was consolidation, PM session not sure, but probably is going to be consolidation. Asia is going to be solid. It's going to be either manipulation or just expansion down to this 28, 26 ATM. We're gonna see him. We're gonna see him. Oh yeah, of course. Once again, these projections, it's not ICT projections. It's based on possible, it's statistical ranges. So at this point I use 4 hour. Guys, install this indicator first. I will show you settings. Here's the link, but I use once again high time frame is 4 chart. So this means it will highlight potential 4-hour candle range based on 5,000 candles data. I don't think actually TradingView has 5,000 candles data, but you can add this. You can add hourly, so it will be nice for scalps. I think so. But I use 4 chart. It's nice for intraday buys, especially for AM session, PM session. I'm in my account right now. So guys, I will stream PM session as well today on TradingView TV. Yeah, overall market is inside consolidation. I would say everywhere today. You know, he sometimes uses like inversion for value gaps. So I think, if not mistaken, he does not use 4-hour chart. Probably he uses 1-hour chart. I need to ask. I don't remember, but he always says like use 1-hour chart. Probably he uses 1-hour chart, and I believe he uses 1 minute inversion. He uses 1 minute inversion for value gaps for entry. I think so. Yeah, like yes, probably inversion for value gaps, if not mistaken. But I'm not sure if it's 4-hour chart. I can ask, but he always says like use 1-hour chart. To use 1-hour chart. At this point, I think he uses 1-hour chart, and he uses 1 minute inversion. If I was the track that break, it doesn't sound nice. Well, you know, these projections is not your target, I would say, but it's a good confirmation when you anticipate to get the drop where we can drop. These projections lines up with any PD raise, for example. Yeah, or something like this, you know. Oops. Here's a link for high time frame candles. So as you can see, ES just traded to this 4-hour fair value gap. NQ still above this level, but we hit discount order block on 3 and 5 minute chart. So what I can use right now for entry, nothing. We need to get shift in structure as well, or at least inversion for a value gap on 3-5 minute chart. So I don't use 1 minute chart. I know I don't like to use 1 minute chart for my entry. But yeah, if I want to long, I would like to get like 3 minute inversion. That's pretty much a 3 minute inversion or 5 minute inversion. I will steam PM session, but I will trade yes. Not touching NQ? Yes. Luminame, I already discussed this before, but when I was creating an account, I'm going to repeat this again. I was so sure, like, it's so bad to put your real name. I don't know why. You want to ask me why? I have no idea. I just was so sure, like, you don't need to put, like, your real name there. I know. There's no reason, right? I'm from Belarus, so it's country next to Russia. Maybe it's easier to understand. My real name is Dasha. Starts with D. So how to get these candles on the right? Here's a link. It's just indicator. Yeah, like 3, which is in discount. So probably this 2. Discount inversion for a value gap. Like this. Yeah, you was George, you were waiting for this question. Because for now it's still bearish and still the easy chance to drop to 812, 813 ADM. And market structure also supports this. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I mean, in real time, this moves over here was ugly, like garbage. So not worth to trade this. And in my opinion, short, not long, was only possible over here once we got the closure below this blue line. Only here I could short. Nothing inside this move, inside this consolidation. Nothing to short here, as well as nothing to long. Short wallet over here or long wallet above this level. Nothing else. So back on gold, let's do a quick analysis again. We got some SMTs at these lows. Once again, we're still inside bullish consolidation, if I can call like bullish consolidation. We got one more sweep, price retrace to this 30-minute OB. Yes, that's up close candle, so it offered order block. So above all-time high, what we have? We have some projections. So next level, if it wants to pump hard, 38.73. How would you trade 50k Apex account, right? So I build my buffer because I have a new Apex account. So I trade 5 micros only on gold. Yes, like very easy setup, but 5 micros, and my task is to make $400-600. So my last trade on Apex was $500 win. So I'm slowly going to my first payout on Apex. So I need to build 4k profit so I can take 40k from my first payout. But yeah, 5 micros, not more. I know, I mean, I can take less. I can take $500 if I will make 2,500, right? But I want to make, I want to take from Apex 40k with first payout. What do you think about new course? I mean, I think exactly as everyone think about this. Not going to discuss people here. Who I am to discuss people. But my opinion is the same. I took short on gold. That's it. I will trade today PM session. I will trade yesterday, not NQ. Use it. Okay, use the text. I don't know. Why delete it? I'm reading your message. Use the text after the dash. Oh, I did that. It did not work. I did that. It did not work. This is what I did. Someone call me. Potential spam. Okay. I did that. It did not work. I use this text. I bought 2 licenses, so I have one like lifetime license just for 1 machine. I have 2 another license for 2 machines. So nothing worked. Unfortunately. Guys, I will stream on TradingView TV in 1 hour. I will trade ES there. I'm not going to touch gold or NQ, only ES. And once again, I trade there on Project X as well. Yeah, I shorted. Yeah. I mean, I was kidding, like no one shorting at all-time high, but I do. I shorted pre-market. I didn't touch, like, no setup for doing IM session. Yes, actually I shorted. I mean, if you see setup, take it. But yeah, once again, short here, I wouldn't say it was like good short. Short here, like, does not make any sense at all, because we were waiting for all-time high. Watch my last video. I shared what I trade on gold, like models that trade on gold. Here short made sense, only here and nothing else. Long, I know, like, it's hindsight chart right now, and obviously I'm happy I didn't execute something here. And yes, I still trade a starter plan on my funded futures. I know, like, I have core plan, I have scale plan, but it's still old plan. I still use them. But yes, that's all I have so far. Also, same on funding ticks. On funding ticks, I also running for my payout. Look at CL. CL dropped to my TP. On funding ticks, I'm going for first payout. I'm just working on my consistency rule because it's ugly. I need to have 25%. It's 40. I don't know how to improve this. What else? By the way, funding ticks running 25% off for new users. I have 3 accounts with them, so I'm not no new user, but I'm thinking about to get 2 more accounts with them. And TradingView, guys, 40% off. I have 3 accounts with TradingView so far. And guys, I will record right now a recap on my trade on gold, so I will post on my Instagram and YouTube. So that's pretty much it. I will see you guys in 50 minutes again on TradingView TV. Next 50 minutes I will just record a recap on today's trade, so it's easier for everyone to watch this. So once I will fix my problem with Replikanto, I will let you know. What's the TradingView link? 1 second. Once again, I trade ES there, not gold. Going to record recap, and I will see you guys in 50 minutes. Don't make stupid mistakes. See you soon. We'll wait you on TradingView TV, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for supporting me. Love you, everyone. Thank you, guys. See you soon in 50 minutes on TradingView TV.